Earlier today, I was given a roach pole, approximately 30 feet, I'd say, by Derek, Golf 1 Echo Papa Delta. Basically, he's been using it obviously for a wire. It's surplus the requirements for him now, so we offered it, and I took it. I'd like to say a big thank you for that. I am intending to use it to go /P portable. So my first consideration was, how am I going to actually obviously keep it up in the air? And I've solved that one, hopefully, as you can see, using a Christmas tree base of all things. Last year, possibly the year before, I had a fir tree, a real pine Christmas tree, and needed a base for it, so I purchased one at the same time. This is it, as you can see. I'll just come down here. It was only, I think, 10 or 15 pounds. Size wise, I'd say 16, 18 inches across, and stands to the top point here approximately 8, maybe 9 inches off the ground, which obviously gives it some depth. At the bottom there are spikes, so that you can basically push the tree down onto the spike and it won't shift. So it works perfectly for this. These obviously tighten. We don't want to take them too tight, so I will be putting blanking plates on those rather than dig into this here, to dig into the pole itself. The last thing I'd want is to crack that under pressure. So maybe I'll put say for example a scaffolding bar or something, a little tube to take the pressure, and then to put this inside said tube. Okay, so it works really well. Obviously there is stability issues as you come further up, but all I've done is basically fastened 4 ways as a cross in my garden. But then, as I said, it goes up and up and up. I'll have to rotate the view slightly because the sun's just behind me, well, just in front of me. The thing is huge. You can barely see the tip there. If I do come across there, my HF360 antenna is literally dwarfed by it. The top of that doesn't even come close. I mean, the roof of the house itself is massively, it disappears into the distance even where the roof's concerned, and that's from the floor. So yeah, I was also given a white stick. It wasn't broken before. A 2 meter 70 centimeters white stick as well, which again I can use to go portable. As it is in a condition like this, it's great. I could put it vertical as per normal, or I could try for some DX and go horizontal. Give that one a try. You never know your luck. But as I said, I've already bought the parts from the Horton Rally. Horton Spring Amateur Radio Club had a rally this weekend, and I was thinking about buying the parts for a G5 RV. I did buy the parts, but instead I'm just tempted to use the parts I've bought to make a very nice little, use this as the top for the G5 RV, because as I've said, it is massively high. It has been used as an antenna previously, for an antenna. Derek mentioned that he'd used it as a coil and did a coil wrap all the way up to the top of it, which if I look carefully I can actually see some traces of where he's wound the wire round. Again, I'd just like to give my heartfelt thanks to Derek, Golf 1 Echo Papa Delta, and hopefully I'll go /P with it very soon with my new radio, and we'll see just how good a signal I can get out. So this is M6LWY, again saying my deepest thanks to Derek, Golf 1 Echo Papa Delta.